Hello, my fellow Americans and people on the internet. I felt like coming out and taking a stroll during this winter storm we've got going on. Oh, it is, let's see, the feels like temperature is currently negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Best time to hit the trail is a time like this. Look at this right here. A little bridge covered in snow. Little creek. Oh, it is just so nice out here. So peaceful. Ain't nobody out here on the trail. It's just nice. Even some of the birds are out here chirping a little bit. Just nice. Got my old trusty walking stick. Keep me upright. And my Silent Bob wool coat from NYC Jackets. Oh, keep me warm. It is just a time to be alive, isn't it? Look at God's creation. You know, one of the best parts about being out here at this time is you don't got a single bug out here to bother you. You ain't got no mosquitoes or ticks or spiders or even little critters like snakes slithering about and running around. But I guess you still probably got coyotes and bobcats and such out there, but it's a little bit unlike the summer and spring, where you got, you know, clouds and mosquitoes, and if you run this trail you get spider webs all over your head and stuff, especially early morning. Whoever's first on the trail, they're the designated spider web cleaner with their face. But it sure is nice, I tell you that. Even though it's, like I say, feels like negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit, it's nice out here. It's not too bad. My nose don't even hurt. I think my mustache is getting a little froze, but it'll be alright. Get a couple more good little glimpses of this scenery before we head on back. Start our walk home. Well, we're back up close to the trailhead now, so I think I'll cut her off here. Everybody else is inside, snuggled up, keeping warm and such. I just wanted to share this little walk with you during this storm. Let everybody see the beauty out here. So, thank you for watching this. Have a good day. Stay safe during this and stay warm.